Last-minute preparations are underway as schools get set for students to return to the classroom. There's both excitement and a little concern. This will be the closest thing to a normal start to the school year since the onset of the pandemic. But some are still worried about the recently dropped 5-day COVID isolation period. Vasilios Bellos reports.
The first day of school this year will definitely have a more familiar feel to it, as it'll be the closest to a pre pandemic experience for students and educators since COVID-19. This includes not having mandatory masking in the classroom, though the government will still provide them for students or teachers that are more comfortable wearing them. The Thunder Bay Catholic District School Board Superintendent of Education, Allison Sargent, says this will make for a better learning experience.
We're very happy that we're going back without masks and that students can see their teachers and their educators' faces. Just the opportunity to build relationships. We're really, really excited about going back this year. I think that, when you're not wearing a mask and you're not hidden behind a piece of material, it just makes the interaction that much more intimate.
One of the big topics on the minds of teachers, students, and parents heading into the new school year is the 5-day COVID isolation rule that was dropped on Wednesday. It's raised concerns for many in the education system, including Lakehead Elementary Teachers President David Paddington.
There are some frustrations with it, to be sure, and we feel that with the potential of ongoing outbreaks and people still getting sick, that this could cause more absences than less.
And for two education worker bargaining unit presidents, Carrie Simpson, who represents the student support professionals at the Lakehead Board, and Dinah Nielsen, representing the Ontario Secondary School Teachers Federation, it's important to recognize not everyone will have the same comfort level heading into the new school year.
The members that we have in the schools all feel differently about it. All we're looking at is the health and safety of the students and the staff, and we follow medical advice.
Time will tell if what effect that will have, and I'm sure it will be of concern to some individuals and maybe not as much of a concern to others.
Students with the Lakehead and Catholic boards return to class on Tuesday. Vasilios Bellos, TVT News.